Blessings, family. Welcome back to WeSo Health Tips, where tradition meets science and culture meets care. Today, we're diving into one of Jamaica's most powerful plants, pimento, also known as allspice or pimenta dioica. You've tasted it in your jerk chicken, smelled it in your grandmother's bush tea, but did you know this humble berry carries centuries of healing, flavor, and cultural pride? Pimento is native to the Caribbean, especially Jamaica, where it's considered a national treasure. The plant produces small, green berries that are dried and ground into what the world knows as allspice. But here in Jamaica, we use more than just the berry. We use the leaves, the wood, and even the oil. It's a full-body plant with full-body benefits. Let's break down the healing power of pimento. Anti-inflammatory. Eugenol and quercetin help reduce swelling and pain, great for arthritis and gut issues. Antibacterial. Pimento seed extracts fight off harmful bacteria like E. coli and staph. Respiratory. Teas and steam infusions help clear congestion and support lung health. Stress relief. The aroma alone can calm your nerves and lower cortisol. Digestive. It stimulates digestion, reduces gas, and eases stomach cramps. Skin and eyes. Packed with vitamins A and C, it helps regenerate skin and protect your vision. Blood health. Vitamin K and folate support circulation and help prevent anemia. Pimento's story begins with the Taino people, who used it for cooking, medicine, and spiritual rituals. When Columbus arrived in 1494, he mistook it for pepper and called it pimienta. Under British rule, Jamaica became the world's top exporter. By the 18th century, pimento walks covered our hillsides. Migratory birds helped spread it to Cuba and Mexico, but Jamaica still produces the finest berries. Quick tip: don't confuse pimento with bay. They're cousins in the same plant family, but they're not the same. Pimento leaves are spicier and more complex, perfect for stews and jerk. Bay leaves are more herbal and bitter. Know the difference, and your pot will thank you. From root to leaf, pimento serves us in every way. In the kitchen, ground into allspice, steeped in rum for pimento dram, or smoked in jerk pits. In medicine, used in teas, topical rubs, and stomach tonics. In spirit, burned in smoke baths to cleanse energy and honor ancestors. Pimento's flavor and healing power have crossed oceans. Mexico, the Maya used it to flavor chocolate and embalm the dead. Europe, used in baking, pickling, and curing meats. US, found in pumpkin pie spice and barbecue rubs. Middle East, blended into bahra spice for savory stews. India, occasionally used in Ayurvedic blends and fusion dishes. So next time you reach for that little brown berry, remember, you're holding centuries of wisdom, flavor, and healing in your hand. If you learned something new today, show some love. Like this video. Share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to WeSo Health Tips for more cultural wellness deep dives.